Let us see. We are going to check what exactly is inside the membrane, a concealed membrane, and how does it looks inside. This membrane is a TFC, thin film composite RO membrane, which is used in generally Aquaguard or Kent type models. And today we will try to open it and see that exactly how and what is inside this membrane. I would first I would try to cut it, and then most probably the first I'll show you that it has two output basically at the bottom. One is for the fresh water and other one is the drain water, and in here it is the input or inlet water. So first I'll try to cut it out, and then I'll show you what exactly is inside the membrane. Okay, after cutting down this concealed membrane, okay, we are now able to see inside. This is the membrane. So I'll show you, I'll remove it and I'll show it to you. Okay, after removing the membrane from the housing, here you can see this is the CSM 80 membrane. This is specially made for Aquaguard by CSM company. As you can see, these little pores are there. The pores are totally blocked because of the dirt and all that is basically filtered out. So right now I'm going to open this membrane for you. So let us open the membrane first. So I am going to show you what exactly is inside this membrane. This area, this is the actual gasket, the main thing which helps the water to pressurize and go through this pores. Exactly what happens when the water enters this gasket is opens up due to the pressure of water, and it does not allow the water to go beyond this inside the housing. So what exactly happens due to this gasket, the pressure is generated and water is not allowed to escape, and the water thus goes through this little pores inside and it comes out from this area. So basically today we are going to do a tear down of a membrane, of RO membrane. So this gasket is, it opens up and it's free. So there are different types of membrane. This CSM membrane is of 80 gallon per day, and it is specially designed for Aquaguard Plus, and this is also available in open type. And we will do first, we will remove this sticker of CSM. So we can remove the original sheet, membrane sheet. So basically CSM is into manufacturing of thin film composite membranes, which it is mentioned over here, TFC, reverse osmosis membrane. TFC stands for thin film composite. Basically other membranes means this is a newer technology which consists of a thinner film of the membrane. Generally it is much more thinner than other membranes. So what the result is that this kind of membrane has a longer life than the conventional membranes. And generally this is the casing or the covering which helps the membrane, and this is done with a roller. Okay, and so now we are able to see the inside of the membrane. What I showed you, this membrane is very less used, so you can see a very less amount of dirt is there, because this membrane was hardly used. Still I am doing a tear down video for you people, so you can see it has various sandwich of various types of sheets. First one, this is a mesh. This is called a mesh, and in between that mesh the RO membrane is sandwiched, and another covering is there, and inside the mesh, the RO membrane, you can see this is the membrane sheet. It is rolled down continuously. It is rolled down continuously. It's almost, if you'll take it apart, it is a huge sheet that is rolled down, and it is rolled out multiply. Now the mesh is separated. You can see this is the mesh, and this is the membrane. Inside you can see air is packed. This is the real membrane is inside, and then the water travels down through the membrane. This membrane was really very neat, and it could be used much more till 2 to 3 years till I teared it down. So it has this rod, and the water molecules come out through this hole. This rod has small holes inside, and the water molecules come outside from that membrane. So this is exactly what a membrane looks like. Inside a membrane looks like, but this is now useless because it cannot be reassembled. As you can see, this air is trapped inside. Similarly, this membrane is a semi-permeable membrane, which allows the low composite, low pressure, or it creates a low pressure area and a high pressure area. So the water travels from high pressure area to the low pressure area. Only water molecules could travel. Other particles such as bacteria or other salts they cannot travel, and so only water molecules could travel, and thus it reduces the TDS and it gives out a pure form of water. This is the most trusted and most used technology today, reverse osmosis. Thank you for watching the video, and please share and like the video if you like it. Thank you very much.